Hey, it's Nick Reich with Fordzilla Behind Bars Racing. I wanted to show you a little setup here of what I bring to a race, the tools it takes to operate the racing rig at a race. This is my setup that I bring with me to the course right here. All this stuff that comes along with me but stays back at the trailer. So I'll go through starting with the toolkit. This toolkit was pretty slick, I built it. This box here come from Harbor Freight. It's like $35. Works real slick. I can pick it up, put it right on my bouncer on the passenger seat is. I carry an impact with me, the big battery, paper towel, spare belt, toe strap, soft shackle, brake cleaner, hammer. Oh, we got a little bit of everything in here. This is really important. Tire gauge. Electrical tester. I don't know if you can see that extra set of plugs. Those plugs are always brand new. They're always gapped. They're ready to go. Electrical tape, pipe thread. We have some jumpers here. Zip ties. What else? Lots of zip ties. Tape measure for my shocks. Big adjustable wrench, very important. Small adjustable wrench. Allens. I run a lot of wrenches. I did buy these from Harbor Freight. These are pretty slick. I run my Allen heads with my big impact. Gotta have some brains to use those. Obviously, t-shirt. Let's see. This is an important tool. You're trying to minimize. It's a double-sided. You get these, they're cheap as can be from Harbor Freight. And I already have my socket on there that I use the most. I prefer a lot of short wrenches on Fordzilla. Nothing is really crazy tight unless it's part of the drivetrain or the links or something. And in those regards, we actually don't bring a big pipe wrench with us. So that's something that we've never had any trouble with, and I guess we check very thoroughly. We also have an electrical tester here, just a lighted one. The nips. And then we have a full wrench set here of both sizes, big and small. I like that. I like having a little bit more than what I need because a lot of times you got to put two on a bolt. But I like these ratchet wrenches because they're small and I can get into the panels and stuff quickly with them. When you got multiple people working with you, if you got extra wrenches, you can get a lot of wrenches going at the same time. And usually that what it equates to. Like the last race, when I had a brake failure, we had Dylan Galler over there, had DC Thompson, both the Caisson boys, and all of us. I mean, we're just tearing into stuff. So you got enough tools, it makes it quick. I think we had that whole thing figured out in like 12-15 minutes. So that's what I bring. This is what I bring with me right to the course. You'll see it sitting on my bouncer on the passenger side, and that comes right with me to every course, to every race. This stuff, normally I don't bring any of this stuff normally to the actual racetrack. It's normally in the trailer or with me or close by. So the reason that is like this is my spare parts. I have a spare alternator in here, a spare fuel pump, timing light, spare tie rods, and just a lot of bigger. I have all the wrenches that fit my Fordzilla, and these actually are not for the oil filters. These are for the struts. I can tighten and loosen the struts with these. The actual bodies of the struts, they're threaded. So, and then I carry some. You can't see into this package because it's war, but these are U-joint caps or straps. So I carry spares those. Obviously, this here is an air compressor. These are pretty badass, made by Milwaukee, M18. We utilize all M18 stuff so we don't have multiple batteries. Jumper pack is very essential. Should always have a jumper pack no matter what when you're doing all this traveling and everything like that. But that thing you gotta have. Jack as well. You gotta have that for changing tires. Something I just realized I don't have out here is wood block, but we always have wood blocks with us. They just ride in there. And then this is very important too. We don't like to use this, but what this is an assortment of fluids. So we have everything from, you have diff oils, coolant, transmission fluid, you know, all your AMSOILs, regular oil, brake fluid. I mean, there's a little bit of everything. Brake cleaner, you know, mud slinger, lube, grease. We try and have that. There's hand cleaner in here. There's belt dressing, electrical cleaner. We even have Windex or Rain-X. So we try and keep all that. Like this doesn't get used in anything. This is all like emergency stuff. It's stuff that I've learned over the years that if you don't have these things here, you put yourself in a world of hurt and take the fun out of it. Because what happens is something simple happens and you go around asking, and either the people that normally would have this stuff, they're either not available, or they're racing, or they're not there, or plain people just don't have it. When you don't have something like that, you got all the amount of money invested from traveling, race entry, all this stuff, you're not just giving up that easy. So usually you're borrowing a vehicle or jumping in with somebody that you don't know to drive 30 minutes to a parts store, just praying the whole time that when you get there they have what you need. And though it sounds like an adventure, that really takes away from the fun and the time and the concentration on the course. All that stuff takes away from your racing. So these are the essential items that I think you need.